Welcome everyone to my today's new video 25 incredible facts. Like, did you know that the total weight of ants on earth once equal the total weight of people? And you lose up to 30% of your taste buds during the flight? And kids ask 300 questions a day? To know more incredible facts, watch till end of this video. Then let us start with our today's new video 25 incredible facts. Fact number 25. Bees sometimes sting other bees. Bees are notorious for their stings, but humans aren't the only ones who experience this pain. For protecting the hives from outsiders, some guard bees will save the hives. If a rock bee comes from another hive trying to steal the nectar, the guard bee will bite and even sting the intruder. Fact number 24. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. Fact number 23. Space smells like seared steak. When you see the footage of astronauts floating peacefully in the space, do you ever wonder what those space smells like? Well, according to some former astronauts, space does having a distinct odor that hangs around post spacewalk. They have described it as hot metal and searing steak. Fact number 22. The first computer was invented by in the 1940s. Fact number 21. Superman did not always fly. The original comic book Superman could leap tall buildings in a single bound, but then he had to come right back down to earth because he could not fly. It wasn't until the 1940s the animators decided it would be too difficult to routinely draw him bending his knees, so Superman could take off into the air. Readers got to see smooth animation, and a superhero gained a new power to fly. And this was so popular. Fact number 20. Chewing gum boosts concentration. Next time you are having trouble focusing, you might want to reach for a stick of gum. A 2013 research or study in the British Journal of Psychology found that those subjects who chewed gum while taking part in a memory challenge were able to stay focused than those who did not chew gum. Fact number 19. The English word with the most definition is set. According to Guinness World Record, set has the largest number of meanings on any word in the English language, with 430 different senses listed in the 1989 edition of Oxford English Dictionary. The word sets has the record with an entry running 60,000 words or 326,000 characters, and no other English word had came closer since. Fact number 18. Fingernails don't grow after you die. Despite your fingernails and hair do not continue to grow after death, it may stay in same size, but it will not grow because it needs glucose, which cut off after the heart stops beating. Fact number 17. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Fact number 16. Copper door knobs are self-disinfecting. Copper and its alloys, such as brass, have long been popular materials for manufacturing doorknobs. It turns out this may not just be because the metals you makes it look nice. In fact, the material has been found to kill bacteria. A research by National College of Kathmandu in Nepal, this copper brass can disinfect by itself without washing. Fact number 15. The chef's toque contains 100 folds. Most dinners are too busy looking at their food to look all that closely at what the preparer is wearing. But the toque, the traditional hat worn by chefs, actually contains 100 folds. This is not just a nice, it represents the chef's way of cooking food and experience. Fact number 14. Only two mammals like spicy food, humans and tree frog. While humans had the long rare distinctions of being the only mammal that enjoys spicy food, the researchers of China have found that tree shrews have a mutation in their ion channel receptor TRPV1 make it less sensitive to the hot chemical in chili peppers, and while other mammals in the study avoided them. Fact number 13. The hottest spot on the planet is in Libya. Specifically, the hottest spot on ever recorded on Earth is El Azizia in Libya, where a temperature of 136 degree Fahrenheit was recorded on 13 September 1922. Fact number 12. Pineapple works as a natural meat tenderizer. Fact number 11. Humans are the only animals that blush. We are also believed to be the only animal that feels embarrassment, and this is true that humans are the only species in the world that blush, embarrassment, shame by becoming red in the face, and this needs to. Fact number 10. There is no such thing as pear cider. Fact number 9. Goosebumps are meant to ward off predators. Fact number 8. The moon has moonquakes. Just as Earth has earthquakes, the moon has, you guessed it, moonquakes. Less common that happen here. Moonquakes are believed by US Geological Survey scientists to occur due to tidal stresses connected to the distance between the Earth and the moon. Fact number 7. The heads on the Easter Island have bodies. The iconic stone heads producing from the ground on Easter Island are familiar to most, but many don't realize what lies beneath the surface. In the tens, archaeologists studying the hundreds of stone statues on the Pacific Island excavated two of the figures, revealing full torsos which measure as high as 33 feet. Fact number 6. Giant squids have the largest eyes of any animal on earth. If you are not sufficiently scared of giant squids, consider that their eyes are 11 inches long. That makes them the largest known eyes in the entire animal kingdom. Fact number 5. The moon is slowing the earth's rotation. Every 100 years, the moon adds approximately 1.4 milliseconds to a day. While this may be minuscule, it does add up. When dinosaurs roamed on the earth, one day was 23 hours long, according to NASA. Fact number 4. Too much water can kill you. Drinking so much water can be deadly. When guzzling a lot of liquid, can suffer from water intoxication or hypothermia, which occurs after an absence or amount of water consumed. Fact number 3. Kids ask 300 questions a day. A 2013 UK research observed young children and recorded questions they asked to adults around them. The children tended to turn to their mother for answers, and these moms end up with 300 questions every single day, or one question every 2.5 minutes. And the study found that the moms reported the hardest questions asked by their child is included why is water wet and what are shadows made of. Fact number 2. You lose up to 30% of your taste buds during flight. This might explain why airplane food gets such a bad reputation. The elevation in an airplane can have a detrimental effect on your ability to taste things. According to research in 2010 by Germany Institute for Building Physics, the dryness experienced at High elevation as well as low pressure reduces the sensitivity of the person's taste buds to sweet and salt foods by 30%. Fact number 1. The total weight of ants on earth once equaled the total weight of people. Entomologists have estimated that there are at least 1 million trillion insects in our world and only 1% of it is ants. And if you take all these about 10,000 trillion ants and put them on one side on a giant scale and put off all the humans on the other side, the weight humans would be high. But about 2000 years ago, it would be possible because that time the humans were very less. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye.